Hello guys, and welcome to another video on our free forex course where we're going to be talking about a very important topic. If you've ever seen anywhere on the internet somebody advertising a strategy, somebody advertising a forex strategy and saying come and buy my forex robot, my forex strategy with a 100% accuracy, this robot never lose a trade, or blah blah. Guys, if you ever see anyone in forex trading advertising any system or any strategy or any robot to you, saying this strategy or this system is having a 100% accuracy, it will never have any loss, then you need to run for your dear life. That person is as dangerous as poison, all right? That person is as dangerous, or that system is as dangerous as a suicidal bomb. All right, so please, you have to be able to understand there is no, as of today, there is no system in forex trading or in stocks or even in crypto whatsoever. There is no system that will guarantee you a 100% accuracy without encountering any losses. No, there is no system in forex trading that will guarantee you a 100% win rate without encountering any loss. No, there is no system as of today. But since there is no system as of today, just like I'm saying, there is no system as of today that can encounter some losses. Why are people still making money? Why do I still make money every day in forex, even though I already know that this is an industry that no matter what I do, I must have some losers. No matter what I do, I must have a particular day that I'll end up losing money or losing money that particular day. Since I already know that is the industrial standard, how am I still making money in forex trading? How am I still making consistent profit in forex trading? So that is what we're going to be talking on today's video. So if that is something you're interested in learning or listening, then please smash the like button on the video and let's get straight into today's video. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Zegolov, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, crypto, business, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, please smash the like button below and also subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated once I come up with content like this. So as you guys can see on the thumbnail, that is not a clickbait. It's not a clickbait thumbnail because that is the truth. How do I make money in forex trading all the time? So I want to review to you guys, despite the fact that no matter what system you have, you must still encounter some losers. You must still encounter some days where you end up having some losing trade. So despite that, why am I still making money? So that is what I want to review on this video today. And the secret to making money day in, day out, despite the fact that you'll be able to encounter some losers, that is inevitable in forex trading. It is very inevitable in forex trading that no matter what you do, you'll be able to encounter some losers. But you'll be able to make money all the time like I do if you understand the concept of risk to reward. All right, if you can understand the concept of risk to reward, then you make money in forex trading all the time, guaranteed. You can quote me anywhere on this one. All right, you can quote me anywhere on this one, because if you understand this concept, you'll be able to make money at will in forex all the time. Let's get into the video and I'll be able to explain to you guys what I'm saying. All right, I remember I've once mentioned about risk to reward on my beginner lesson. I think that was around the lesson 6 or so when we just started the course. But at this level, I'm coming in again at the advanced level because there is no way you can neglect this. You can know all your support and resistance. You can know how to do your analysis to even present it on the news. But if you don't understand these concepts, there is no shortcut. Like I used to tell you guys every day, there is no shortcut in trading till you understand this concept. So we're going to be taking a case study. We're going to be making a case study so that you see why I make money all the time. So whether on a $1,000 account, $10,000 account, or a $50,000 account, the same thing, or even a $20 account, it will be the same thing. Good. Let's take this case study. Let's take our account size. Let's just assume we have $10,000. and the risk per trade, we're going to be risking $50. So we're going to be using the least, we're going to be very, very conservative. We're going to use the proper risk management, all right? We're going to be risking just $50 per trade. So for each trade we place, if the trade goes our way, then we'll be making more than $50. But if it doesn't go our way, the highest, with the maximum we are comfortable to risk is $50. Then the total number of trades that I want us to do the case study is 10 trades. So I want us to do after 10 trades, let's do the analysis after 10 trades. Then the risk to reward, we'll take a risk to reward of 1:1 scenario. We'll take 1:2 scenario, 1:3 scenario, 1:4 scenario, and 1:5 scenario. Good. So let's go. Sorry about that. Yes, so let's go into the good. So you can see here on my screen, I said we have the first case, a risk to reward of 1:1, right? We have a risk to reward of 1:1. And remember, with a risk to reward, what is risk to reward? Risk to reward just measures the dollar amount you get for a particular risk per trade. If I'm risking $10, and I have a risk to reward of 1:1. It means the highest I can make on that trade if the trade goes my way is $10. And if I'm risking $100 and I have a risk to reward of 1:1, it means the highest I can make on that trade if the trade goes my way is $100, because I'm risking $1 to get $1. I'm risking $1 to get $1. And a risk to reward of 1:2 is just the same thing. It means you are risking a dollar amount to get a double of that. So if I'm risking $1, means if it goes my way, I'll get $2. If it doesn't go my way, then I'll lose $1. You see, so that is a risk. That is risk to reward and how you can define it. All right, that is a simple definition. So let's take risk to reward of 1:1 for an example. With a risk to reward of 1:1. You must have an accuracy of at least 50% to be able to make any money in Forex trading. So out of 10 trades, remember, you can see we have the number of trades here. Out of 10 trades, you must have at least 5 trades right for you to be able to make any money in Forex trading. For you to even go at break even, you must have at least 5 trades right out of 10. All right, that is why you see number of trades, I said 5, number of losers 5. Then with accuracy now of 40%, with accuracy of 40%, you have number of trade now 4, and you have number of losers, you have a total of 6. So let's just assume, remember, what is our risk again? Our risk is $50. And number of winners now, we have 5. And since we have a risk to reward of 1:1, it means if the trade goes our way, how much are we going to make? We're going to make $50. So it's just 5 times $50, which is what? Which is $250. And since on our losers, how many do we have? We have 5 losers times 5. How many is that? $250. $250 minus $250, 0. All right, 0. That is, you see, 0. So even though at the end of the day I was able to have 5 winners and 5 losers, I still came out with no money. This one I'll even come out with a negative because I'll need to pay for commissions, I need to pay for spread, I need to pay for commissions and spread. So at the end of the day, my account is even still reducing without me even knowing. There is no magic. That is how you end up not making any money. You end up calling yourself a professional Forex trader, and for 10 years, you are still calling yourself a professional Forex trader with nothing to show off for. Things like this, you don't understand this concept. Good. Now, let's take this particular scenario where, okay, now with a 40% accuracy, meaning I was only able to have 4 trades and 6 were losers. This one now will be now 4 times 50, which is equal to 200. So I was only able to make 200, then 6 times 50, then I was able to lose 300. So at the end of the day, I'm making what? Minus 100. You see, so even though I was able to have 4 trades right, at the end of the day, I'm still losing. You see, at the end of the day, I'm down with $100 plus more than I've even paid more money for commission. I've even paid more money for spread. At the end of the day, I'm still even down. You see how there is no way you ever make money in Forex trading if you have a risk to reward of 1:1. There is no way. You'll be able to, okay, you'll be happy if you see some winners, but at the end of the day, there's no way you're going to make any money. That is why the bottom line, you should never, ever, you should never, ever press buy or sell on your MT5 or on your computer if the risk to reward is at least 1:2. Your risk to reward must be at least 1:2. All right, good. Let's go now to the case study of a 1:2 risk to reward. Let's take again our accuracy of 50%, meaning we had 5 winners and 5 losers. Since we have a risk to reward of 1:2, it means for every $50 we risk, we're going to be getting $100, right? 1:2, meaning for every $1 you risk, you have $2. Good. So here, our winners, we have what? 5 times 50. No, 5 times. Remember, this is 1:2. So each winner will have $100. So this is 5 times 100, which is equal to $500, right? That is an accuracy of 50%. Then losers now will be 5 times 50 again, since we are risking $50, which is $250. So at the end of the day, we are making what? Plus $250. You see? So you see how interesting things start getting at this point in time. Just with the risk to reward of 1, the only thing that has just shifted is your mentality of knowing that, okay, I must. On your MT4, the opportunities are unlimited. The opportunities are unlimited. The more you're trying to squeeze an opportunity on one chart, if you go on another chart, you'll be able to see that opportunity doubled. So you should only look for those sweet opportunities. Those opportunities that will be able to give you a risk to reward of at least 1:2 if the trade doesn't go your way. All right? Or if the trade goes your way, sorry. Good. That is just an accuracy of 50% where, okay, even no matter how crappy your strategy is, you were able to have just 5 winners and 5 trades were all losers. So you were able to have 5 winners and 5 losers. At the end of the day, you are still making money. You are still making money at the end of the day. That's why I said the reason why I make money all the times from the title of the video. It's not a clickbait. It's what I do. It's what you guys see me doing all the time. Let's take now an accuracy of 40%. Well, let's just say your strategy was very, very crappy. Your strategy is not very accurate. And out of 10 trades, you were able to have just 4 trades right. Good. So with an accuracy of 40%, it means you have now 4 times. Remember, this is 1:2. Meaning for each trade that goes your way, you have $100. So here you have equal to $400. You have $400, and here since you were able to lose 6 trades, and for each trade you lost, say you have 50, you lost $50. So for your losers, you were able to lose $300. At the end of the day, you are still what? You are still up with what? This minus this. You are still up with plus. You are still up with plus $100. You see this? You see, with a risk to reward of 1:2, you just need to be right 4 times out of 10. You just need to be right 4 times out of 10 times, and you are still making money. You just need to be right 4 times out of 10 times, and you are still making money. So just tell me, what strategy are you talking about? The Fibonacci? Are you talking about support and resistance? Are you talking about the strategy? Are you talking about trend line trading? Are you talking about candlestick patterns, head and shoulder pattern, double engulf? I've taught you guys more than 8 different strategies. What strategy are you talking? No matter how crappy that strategy is, at least you'll be able to have 4 trades right out of 10 trades. And now, if you now put in the concept of risk to reward of at least 1:2, you will be able to make money every time. So at the end of the day, remember we're taking an aggregate of 10 trades. At the end of 10 trades, you will still be making money in Forex trading. There is no magic. Let me show you guys how things start getting very, very interesting. Let's take now a risk to reward of 1:3. Because there are some situations where I used to place a trade, and at the end of that trade, I'll have a risk to reward of 1:5. 1:5. So I'll risk $100, and by the end of that trade, I'll have $500. I'll risk $1,000, and by the end of that trade, I'll have $5,000. That is a risk to reward of 1:5. If I can place a trade and I have a risk to reward of 1:5, I just need to be right 2 times out of 10 times, and I'll still be making money in Forex trading. Just 2 times out of 10 times, and I'll still be making money in Forex trading. See, situation where we're talking about a risk to reward of 1:3, right? Good. Let's take again an accuracy of 50%. Let's say, okay, your strategy is not too accurate, and you were able to have 50 trades right out. You were able to just have 5 trades out of 10 right. Yeah, since I'm talking about a risk to reward of 1:3, meaning if the trade goes my way, I'll make 3 times my risk. What is my risk? My risk is $50, right? So my risk here is $250. And 3 times my risk will be what? $150. So it will be now 150. And 5 times 150 should be around 750. This is 750. 750, right? And now if I subtract my loss from my profit, I'll have what? From my income, I'll have what? $500. You see, at the end of, so just with the risk to reward of 1:3, if I can have just 5 trades out of 10, right? See, I'm still making double amount in my account. I'm still making a lot of money. Now, let's just say my strategy was very, very crappy, and then I had just 4 trades right out of 10 trades. That means 4 now times 150 will be equal to $600, right? Then 6 that were losers. 6 times 50 will be equal to $300. Now, at the end, 600 minus this, at the end, I'm still even making $300. I'm still even making money. Even though I had six trades that were losers, I'm still even making money. Now, see this situation. Even with 30%, let's just assume you don't even know you just started trading. Let's just assume you just started trading, and the first thing you were able to study was risk to reward. All right? Let's just assume you came to my channel, and the first video you were able to watch on my channel was a video about risk to reward. And you know that, okay, since Golub said I should never place any trade on my computer with a risk to reward of at least 1:2. Okay, since this one is having a risk to reward of 1:3, let me only take 1:3. So no matter how crappy his strategy, he doesn't even know how to trade. But now, if he can have just 3 trades out of 10 trades, so he pressed the first one, lost, second one, lost, third one, lost, up to 7 trades, then he succeeded to have just 3 trades right out of 10 trades. Then see something, 3, then you have a risk to reward of 1:3, meaning it will be what? 3 times 150, which is what? $450, right? $450. Then 7 times 50 is what? 7 times 50 is $350. 450 minus 350 plus $100. He's still making money. I don't know how I can emphasize this. Guys, just do these steps. Making money in Forex trading is not magic. You don't need to go and pay those millions upon and buy those big systems and buy this robot and think that is what will make you money in Forex trading. Making money in Forex trading is just mechanical. It's about 80% mechanical. It's a mechanical process. This is how you make. There is no. I've just shown you guys an example. Then just take a situation where you have a risk to reward of 1:4. 1:4. A risk to reward of 1:4. You see, just imagine a situation where you have a risk to reward of 1:4, where for every $1 you risk, if the trade goes your way, you'll be able to make at least $4. There, you just need to be right 2 times. You just need to be right 2 times. So even if you have 8 losers, you just need to have 2 right, and you'll still be making money. People will come up to you and say, what system do you have that never had any loss? What system are you having? The magic or the secret is you understand the concept of risk to reward. That is why you see I'm bringing this in at the advanced level of the course, because there is no way you move from a professional Forex trader to a profitable Forex trader without understanding these concepts. There is actually no way. All right. Then thank you guys so much, because I know you are able to do this. Go back to your chart. I want you, please practice. I might teach you how to swim. I might teach you how to ride a bicycle. I might teach you how to be a pilot. But if you don't pull the trigger, you won't be able to understand. So go back to your chart and do this back testing and let me know how many structures you are able to see. Let me know how. Let me know on the comment section how many setups you were able to see to know that trading Forex or making money in Forex trading is not magical. I don't have any magic. The fact that I make money all the time, I don't have any magic. It's about 80% mechanical. You need to understand the dynamics. You need to understand what goes on in the background, what you are supposed to do. And one of the most important thing is arrow, risk to reward. Never for once in your life press buy or sell on your computer if the risk to reward is not at least 1:2. You must have a risk to reward of at least 1:2. So before you place your trade, obviously you check on your target. Where are you going to put your stop loss? At least my stop loss is going to be 40 pips away. Okay, good. Where am I going to put my take profit at a reasonable distance? My take profit is going to go at 90 pips. Okay, so what is my risk to reward? I'm risking 40 pips and I'm going for 90 pips. So that is a risk to reward of at least 1:2 point something. Good. That means the trade is validated. You place the trade. But now if the distance where you want to put your take profit is 40 pips, and your where you want to put your stop loss is 40 pips, and your take profit is 50, or let's just say it's 50 pips away, you're risking $1 to get not even up to $2, because you are risking 40 pips to go for maybe 50 pips. So that is not equal to a risk to reward of 1:2. If you are risking 40 pips, you must get 80 pips. If you are risking 10 pips, you must get 20 pips if the trade goes your way. So guys, that is the importance of risk to reward in trading. And if you are able to understand this concept, that will make me the happiest person on earth. That will be able to fasten this curve. That will be able to fast forward this process from taking you from a professional forex trader to a profitable forex trader. So if you want to be able to know, if you want to be able to hear one-on-one from me, or if you want us to be able to discuss one-on-one, you want to be able to get into my inner circle, please check my Patreon link on the video description so that you can also join me on Patreon. And if you want to be able to know most of these ideas even before they come on YouTube, you can also check me out on Patreon so that you also have access to my Discord private community. If you want to also use the same broker I use, check the link below so that you can be able to use the same broker I use. And also check the videos which I'm going to leave at the end of the screen. The videos are related to the same topic. They are related to the advanced secret of forex trading. Make sure you smash the like button on the video. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.